showing they love where they live. Hilton Head Island Elementary School is taking part in the Hilton Head Island Bluffton Chamber of Commerce's Chalk the Walk. Businesses, residents, and schools are being asked to draw what they love about the island on sidewalks and entryways around the community. The students are excited to be sketching their favorite things about their town.
I drew a beach because I love the beach. It's beautiful and it basically feels like I am just in my world, like where I belong, and like it just feels like where I can just do whatever I want at the beach. It's like you could swim, you could play, you could build sandcastles, you could basically do anything that you want. It's just amazing. So thankful to live here. It's just beautiful.
I draw a palm tree because they're like beautiful and healthy, and I wanted to recreate the South Carolina flag, so I did it, and that's what I like about Hilton Head, the palm trees.
I drew a wave and I also drew a turtle because I really like the turtles that are on the beach, and I really love the ocean.
The Chalk the Walk event was organized to highlight the town of Hilton Head Island's 360-40 celebration. This year is the 40th anniversary of the town's incorporation and the 360th anniversary of the sighting of the island by Captain William Hilton. At Hilton Head Island Elementary School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.